Can you count again?
This Mom's shirt.
Yes. Wait, Pen, she's not done yet.
No more.
Good job, Violet.
Almost.
Hey, Penny, stop it. Good job, Violet.
I wanna this.
Hold on.
Daddy's.
That's Mommy's.
This Mom.
But it can go in the wash.
Okay.
Can you put it in?
Mommy, I wanna help them.
Oh, please.
No, wait, Pen.